Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment, the number one channel of entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Actor Odunlade Adekola may dump acting for the throne as he has been tipped to be the next king of his hometown Ekiti. One of Nollywood's most sought-after Yoruba actor, Odunlade Adekola, who hails from Otun, Ekiti State, is set to become the next king of his hometown. The seasoned actor, who is from Iletun royal family in Otun, Ekiti, reportedly leads the race for the highly coveted throne of the town, as he has been chosen by his royal family to represent them. According to City People, it is the turn of Odunlade's family to produce the next Oba of the town, because each family waits for their turn. The Imuya royal family has served their term as they produced the last Oba, and it is now Odunlade's family. And one of the advantages Odunlade have over other candidates is his closeness to the governor of the state. He is also a fan of a fame advantage over others. Few days ago, there were rumors that some ruling houses had raised the alarm that the kingmaker allegedly assembled themselves in a secret location to select one of the contestants for the stool without carrying the government along. This development created unnecessary tension in the community, not until the government representative led by the Deputy Governor Otumba Bisi Ibiyemi intervened. The five ruling houses in Otun Ekiti are Iyaba, Iletun, Imuye, Obajewe, and Odoimi. The Omuya royal family produced the late Oba Popoola. The monarch, who was a former chairman of the State Council of Obas between 2006 and 2008, died at the age of 62. The kingmakers have also been warned against violating the state chieftaincy law and due process in the selection of the next monarch for the town, and every step taken will get the approval of the state governor, Dr. Fayemi.